Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix a plot stamp or watermark that keeps appearing when you export your AutoCAD drawing to PDF. If you've ever printed a drawing and noticed extra text like the date, username, drawing name, or even a large draft watermark showing up on the PDF, don't worry. This is usually caused by a simple setting, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to find it and remove it. Let's get started. First, open the drawing that's giving you the problem. Once it's open, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard, or type plot and press enter. This opens the plot dialog box, which contains all the settings AutoCAD uses when creating a PDF. Inside the plot dialog, look for an option called Plot Stamp On. Depending on your AutoCAD version, you may need to expand the Plot Options section to see it. If Plot Stamp On is checked, AutoCAD will automatically add information such as the date, time, username, and drawing details to the exported PDF. Simply uncheck this option. Next, let's make sure the setting isn't being applied through the Layout's page setup. Go to the Layout tab you're plotting from. Right-click the Layout tab and select Page Setup Manager. Choose the current page setup and click Modify. In the Page Setup dialog, look again for the Plot Stamp On option. If it's enabled here, disable it. Then click OK, save the changes, and close the Page Setup Manager. Now let's check whether the watermark is actually part of the drawing itself. Sometimes text such as draft, sample, or not for construction has been inserted into the drawing as regular objects. Zoom out and carefully inspect both model space and layout space. If you find a watermark object, select it and delete it. If you don't see anything obvious, open the Layer Properties Manager by typing LA and pressing Enter. Review your layers and look for any layers that may contain watermark text or logo blocks. Try turning those layers off or freezing them temporarily to see if the watermark disappears. If the problem still persists, the issue may be coming from the PDF plotter configuration. Open the Plot dialog again and look under Printer Plotter. Select your PDF plotter, such as DWG to PDF.PC3, and click Properties. This opens the Plotter Configuration Editor. Browse through the available settings and check for any custom stamp, logo, or watermark options that may have been added to the PC3 file. If you find any, disable them and save the configuration. Once you've completed these checks, return to the Plot dialog and click Preview. Carefully examine the preview window to confirm that the unwanted watermark is gone. If everything looks correct, click Plot and save your PDF. And that's it. By checking the plot stamp setting, reviewing your page setup, inspecting your drawing and layers, and verifying your PDF plotter configuration, you can eliminate almost any unwanted watermark from your AutoCAD PDF exports. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.